It's time to take a trip to the museum. My friends, and welcome back once again to Brotherhood of the Bat Collectibles. My name's Chris and I'm the Batman statue collector right here on YouTube. Thank you so very much for taking time out of your day to watch this content, and if you are viewing for the very first time, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I really think you're going to enjoy the content here. Now I want to give a major shout out right off the bat, pun intended as always, to collector Frank, who just received his Queen Studios Museum Line Batman. This is quarter scale and it's absolutely incredible. This reflects the master's work. Leonardo, Michelangelo, all the amazing sculptors throughout history. That's what these statues represent. They are Batman, they are Wonder Woman, and they are Superman. They are all absolutely incredibly sculpted, and I am kicking myself to this day for not pre-ordering. It's definitely kind of like a standalone piece, but it's absolutely incredible, and it turned out so amazing. And so again, I want to give a shout out to Frank. Frank wanted me to share my thoughts on this piece, and again, congratulations to you, Frank, on getting it in. So without further ado, let's go ahead and review the Batman Museum Line 1/4 scale statue from Queen Studios. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and dive right into this thing. Look at this. This looks fantastic. It reminds me a little bit of Alex Ross. Just very, very impressive. Obviously, he is completely engulfed in his cape, which makes it really, really cool. But look at this. This absolutely looks like carved marble. You can see the aging effect as you get to the bottom of the cape. The great stand that he's on. Obviously, the bats flying forward. It looks like he's on an ancient pedestal, like ancient Greece here. It's just very, very impressive what is being done here. These are all sculpted by an incredible sculptor named Maria. Very, very impressive. And it's simplistic. It really is in terms of what the sculpt is, but when you actually look at it, it does look like a master's work. It's very, very cool. I've actually been to Italy. I've been to Rome. And to be able to see some of these masters' works in person, you really can appreciate just how incredibly talented these artists were working with, you know, hammers and chisels. And that's what I feel like this is. And like I said at the beginning, I am kicking myself that I didn't order this. Incredible price point. These are $350 for quarter scale, which today that price is unheard of. That's half the price of a current market premium format. Obviously, you know, you're not getting a ton of paint here or a ton of action, but it's just a very, very beautiful museum piece in my opinion. It is approximately 23.6 inches tall. Obviously a very narrow footprint, as you can see. Obviously this is painted. I mean, you know, if this was just pure polystone, which it is, you know, it comes across as like a white or gray. So obviously this is, you know, a beautiful painting technique. So it's not like it's not painted, but it really does look like marble to me. It looks like it's ancient Greece. It just looks incredible. And I am very happy for anybody that picks this up. Look at the way that the cape is sculpted to his body, the way it's like, you know, clingy to his body. There are imperfections. There are, you know, weathering effects. There are divots. There are things like he has been battle damaged, but still looks very, very classic. Now, this piece to me screams like an individual pedestal. It screams to me a highlighted piece in your collection, you know, with a spotlight on it. It might not be for everybody because, again, it's not a traditional comic book piece with a lot of color and black and gray and yellow or whatever Batman is, you know, to you. But I still think this is a very, very cool piece. If I have the opportunity to find this one, I will pick it up. I know our good friend Jeff Delaney over at Secret Sanctuary. I definitely want you to check out his channel. If you haven't done so already, again, that's Secret Sanctuary on YouTube. He's going to get all three of these, the Wonder Woman, the Batman, and the Superman. And so definitely check out his review when it becomes available. But in the meantime, hopefully this you know, held you over a little bit. And again, I'm so happy to Frank that he got this. It just looks fantastic. The more I look at it, the more I regret not getting it. It is a very, very cool piece. It is, again, a little different than what maybe most people might want in a statue, but it's so unique that I think it would be a great talking point, a great talking piece in your collection that people, when they come over and see your collection, they'll be like, wow, this is something special here, something very different. So I absolutely love this thing, but I am curious, as always, to know what you guys think as well. What an incredible looking statue. This thing is fantastic, and I think all three are absolutely wonderful. The weird thing about the Wonder Woman, though, we've talked about before, is that it's a Gal Gadot portrait, whereas the other ones are more comic book based. But regardless, they all look really, really awesome, and again, a great, great price point. Will Queen Studios do more of these? I don't know. I just think they're so unique and so original. Obviously, they've done very, very well. They're selling out left and right. And so I'm curious if you ordered it, if you already have received yours, what you think of it, and what you think of it based on this review. Again, I think it's really awesome. It is simple, it's unique, but it is beautiful, it is elegant, and it definitely makes a statement in your collection. It's something that will stand out for sure. It's not going to have a lot of color, but everybody's going to be like, wow, this looks really, really cool. And I really think it's amazing. So anyway, I do want to turn it over to you. What do you guys think about it? Again, I love it. I am curious as to what you think. Anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. Again, please like this video if you enjoyed it, and that tells Frank, and it gives a big thanks to him as well for sending in this footage. Again, thank you so very much, Frank, and congratulations again on your Batman. I am pretty jealous right now that you have it, because it's just an amazing piece. But again, thank you guys so very much for checking out the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you right here in the Batcave. Have a great day, everybody. See you soon. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these two awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.